everyone, welcome. So there was a contest going on through the crochet community called the Christmas in July fairies. God, there was like, I know at least 170 Christmas fairies out there, and you went and watched the videos and you could enter in their giveaways and then get a chance to get your name put into like the big finale one, and that will be, I believe, announced on the 25th through Dana. Oops, bump y'all. Anyhow, so not everyone that got their name drawn for, you know, the entry for the big one, but I did win one out of all of those. I was really surprised. I didn't expect to win from any of them, but I did win from one. So I got my name put in for the big drawing, and she sent me a little something. And look how cute this is. She put little Christmas stickers. Look at this. Look how stinking cute this is. I love, oh, and it's got like little glitter. I love it. I gotta see if I can somehow get these off. But look at that. And then let's see if I can do this without showing our addresses. She's got some more stickers on the front. Look how cute. Let's see if I can't turn this. There you guys go. Look how adorable that is. So cute. Alright, so let's open this up and see what she sent me. I'm so excited. She is such a sweetheart. I'm going to leave a link to her channel. You guys go check her out. She is so sweet. She's just starting out. This was her first giveaway, so how cool is that? Your first giveaway is always super exciting. Scary, but exciting, you know. So, get this out. Oh, look at that. Oh, and a card. Look at this. Okay, let's set this aside. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, and look at the stickers. You know, I'm making Christmas cards, you know, Christmas in July for Christmas. This will come in handy for sure. Connie, you are a sweetheart. Thank you so much. So, here's what it was. The Christmas in July fairies. Wildflower loops. Giveaway was July 15th. Good luck in Dana's Wonderlust crochet drawing July 25th. So yes, be looking for that. I'll leave both of their links down below. And it says, sending good cheer and joyful greetings of the season. Happy holidays. I love it. Merry Christmas in July. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Love, Connie. Nah, Connie, thank you. I love it. Okay, we're keeping that. And it's got more stickers. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. Oh my god, this is gonna go so awesome with my cards that I'm making. Look at that. So stinking cute. And look at the colors. This is awesome. I'm not a fan of crocheting with this, so I'm gonna have to learn. Because my hooks always get caught in this. But look how pretty that is. That would make a gorgeous scarf. Like, oh my gosh, really pretty. I think, yeah. So, there you go. I love it. So, it's got the, oh, that's for knitting though. I can't, I mean, I can knit. I'm just not great at it. I'm better at crochet than I am knit. And it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Connie, thank you. I love this. I love the colors. I cannot wait to try this out for sure. You know, I've not seen, I mean, I've seen it. Like in the stores, but I've never bought it. Definitely gonna have to try it. Or no, did I? I think, you know what? I'm gonna have to go and look through all of my stuff. I got all of my things in boxes right now because I just moved my room from downstairs to upstairs. Oh, look how cute! Little stitch markers. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look at those. So you got a little peppermint. How adorable is that? I hope you guys can see that. So stinking cute. And then a little snowman. Look at that. Look how cute. That is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, how adorable. Connie, thank you. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. You did not have to. Look at this. That is just adorable. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you so much. I will definitely be sending her a card to say thank you. I just love it. So you guys definitely go and check her channel out. I'll leave, like I said, all the information down below in the description. Go say hi and tell her I sent you her way. And I will see you guys next time. All right. Love y'all. Big hugs. Bye.